Hey, bring it. Let's check the audio. I guess I need to pick up mic in my hand, right? Okay, let's get started. Fine. So, for any kind of disturbances, please sorry in advance. And let's get started, right? I will just turn off my audio and then we'll switch back to the daily time frame. It's been while, I guess, and I have not streamed, but let's just say where was the last video available? I guess it's on, I don't know, 6 days ago probably. And then we had a live for, oh, I don't know, I have not put date again, 11th June, right? So if you notice, 11th is like 10th, 11th, it's somewhere around here, right? Let me bring pen to you guys, right? So today there is going to be a big session, a learning session, right? And I guess we need to turn off the magnet. Currently, if you see, there was a big rally, retracement, again rally, again retracement. Everybody just still got caught. Market like here did retested to the same zone where the breakout has happened. It went up, retrace, again went up, again retested, and again it was trying to go up, right? And at these zones, we told you so market is at retest because of this. So like for this swing, there was a high and this was a retest zone. Here we wanted to make some buys for the high target, right? And you see it did happen in the last 4 days, right? So this was the simple analysis that says in the market, right? uh the one more reason, if you see, there are two red candles. After that there was a doji or kind of a hammer candle. Again there is a doji and kind of a hammer candle, right? So if you want to trade for like very much downside for the downtrend just like this, you have to wait for the breakdown, and you see there is no breakdown here, right? So these are the confirmation that you can take. And obviously there is a uptrend which is in the market. You can clearly see the uptrend is in market, so you can obviously take small risks here, and then you can try punching your buy orders and you can hold it for the all-time high as expected, or as I had told you, right? So I don't know why it's not showing, but let's just see. Let's close this, bring a little up. And where is my mouse? Fine, here, right? So again I will make it a big here, I mean bit up here, right? So let's just move to the 4 hour time frame, and we'll see whatever the market is currently doing, right? And remember, from like 10th 11 we have not streamed, so we'll also discuss about what happened on the 10th and 11th, right? You see there was a downfall, retrace, downfall, and market was in consolidation. But if you see, there is a swing here, swing high here, swing low here. If you mark, this is going to be your retest level, right? As per the Fibonacci. Let's do one thing. Let's mark these swings, right? So if you see, kind of it's at the support zone. See, this was the swing, right? I will mark it for you, and then we will hide everything, and we will have now our buying zone, right? See, this is the rally, retracement, rally, retracement, rally. So kind of you can say first, second, third movement was done. It has already hit the high, right? Crossed the high. It's on 4 hour time frame, so we have to consider it, right? And then it came down here, it retraced, and you will see here it did a hammer candle like here at this gap. It went up, right? It went up and it crossed the highs also, swing highs also. Then it retraced, took everybody's sell, and then it has again given a sign. And you see after that every time it is giving you a good sign on 4 hour time frame. You see there are like long wicks here present and clearly showing bullish momentums here, right? So this was it, and it was already a good setup, good trades here. Let's switch back to the 1 hour time frame, right? And I will tell you, this is the same region, say 10 11 12, right? You see a trend line here, you see a top and bottom trend lines here. Market was in range. So as I told you, if market really wants to fall for this, it has to give a breakdown, and at retest or at retracement you can try adding some quantities and you can try booking some profit at this level, and you can hold remaining quantities for the major target, which will be like a downtrend, because here it will be like a downtrend for if this gives a breakdown, that will be a big downtrend, right, for sure, right? This was it. And you see, every time it is taking support, it was clearly seen in the channel trend line, right? See, this is the channel and this is the bottom. See, this is the bottom trend line, right? Every time it touching it, either it is consolidating or it is giving an engulfing candle, and here it did pass, right? After this we have a low here, we have a high here, we have every swing breakout here, and you see up more retracement, and here also we tried buying, right? So here also you got a good setup here. This is on 1 hour time frame. You can switch back to a lower time frame. You can mark Fibonacci from this bottom to the top. You will get this, and you obviously your target, first target and second target is going to be like this, right? And you see it did hit both the target. It went up, it consolidated, same setup, again it went up, again it has given a retracement. You can mark from bottom to top Fibonacci. You will get somewhere around here buying level, right? I think here it not triggered the buy, but it did went up, and now you see first move, second move, third move, it was kind of a fourth move, and it has given some big retracement, right? Now you can clearly see here what we have a swing here, we have a swing here, we have a swing here, we have a swing. These are the swings, right? Currently this was the swing, this swing was broken out somewhere around here, right? And now as per that, there is a, this is the immediate swing, which I guess if market comes for retracement, it will hit the stop losses, right? And today you see it hit the stop losses and it's now moving up, right? So you can clearly see what happening in the market. So market has took everybody the sell. It has given on hourly time frame, it has given a hammer candle, and it's now moving up, right? So let's see, this is the up move, this is the retracement, and this is going to be a time correction, and time correction after that there is going to be another up move, right? And the probability is like I think it can travel like this again. This was like around 100 points, so it can travel another 100 points to make all time high, or like round number 3500. There is a possibility, right? So for this possibility, what we have to do, we have to do it like we have to initiate trade with the small risks, and then you can book 1:2 50%, 1:4 another 25%, and the remaining 25% quantity, you can hold it for bigger target. Let's say you have took like 4 quantities here, right? Your stop loss is like 20 points and your target is like 100 points, right? You got 40 point, you exited almost 3 quantities, right? So almost you booked $120 out of it, right? Only 4 quantities you took, right? 4 quantities. Now you have 1 quantity and you have 100 point target, because it's around at 3400, and you have like 120 points. So 3 quantities will give you $120 profit, and another remaining 1 quantity will give you $120 itself. So it will be around $240. Are you getting my point? So $240 you are getting out of with the no risks, because you have already booked some profit here, right? And even if market reverses, you will be going to lose only $20 in it, but that is from your profit, because you have booked $120 profit, right? So this was an example, not an actual trade, but you can do it like this, right? So it's up more retrace, and I'm expecting it to go up, but anyway there is a downtrend in the market, so it can give a downfall also. That's why I told you to book some profit, so that even if market reverses, it will hit your stop loss. But if you have booked some profit at higher levels, that will not cause you an issue, that will not cause you an a psychological pressure on you, right? Because you would have booked profit, then even if market comes down, either you will exit at CTC, or you will exit at small profit, right? So at least you will get some small profit here for sure, right? Okay, so let's just move to the, now see, there is nothing to explain, guys. See, market is moving upside with this trends, and you have to just mark the Fibonacci's, and you have to look for the swing highs and lows, and if it give you a good sign, you have to buy it. If you are not comfortable, or if you are not confident, you have to reduce the quantity and take it with the low quantity. That's it. Now 30-minute time frame, you can clearly see. 15-minute time frame, I guess you can clearly see. Let me show you guys. See here, I think we need to delete this now. We will delete this Fibonacci. You see, I have some buys entries present here. This is the buying zone I have marked. See, market went up from here. Again we have this buying zone. You can clearly see this is the bottom here, this is the top here, and you will notice this is the fib buying zone, right? And out of which, see, this fib buying zone on 15-minute time frame, you did got a signal here, and stop loss, and you see it went up, right? Are you getting my point? So these are the simple trade setups, right? And for continuation, I have already explained, market gives us like 2 to 3 entries. First is like a up move retracement and then again up move. Second is like up move consolidation and up move. Third one is like it will just consolidate, this is called as time correction, and then it will go up. So these three you can try. So here if you see, this was the up move, this was the retracement, first setup, and it went up, right? Again there was a small retracement also, so it went up, first thing happened. After such a buying momentum, it did went into consolidation. The pattern is made is like this. See, after the second day breakout, it went up, straight away went up, right? So this rally and this rally should be equal, approximately equal, right? So we'll delete all these drawings. We'll see whether all these movements were true or not, right? See how much it went up. It went up probably around 55 points, around 55 points, right? And here if you see, it went up 60 points. So this was it, guys. This was the small trade and small logic. There was nothing rocket science. And as I told you, in the morning you get such setups, right? So you have to get up at early in the morning. Once day starts, you will see it will hit some SLs and then it will move up, right? Here it didn't hit the SL because it was open at day low here at this level. If market opens a gap up, it will come down, it will hit this people SL, hit this people SL, and then it will move up, right? So these are the simple logics. Here it opened gap down, so it directly shoot up by taking support on this level. See, this was the support zone and it directly went up by taking support. So let's see, if markets open somewhere around here, if market opens somewhere around here, it will give breakout first, it will tap the level or it will tap the level, then it will come down here, day low SL, previous day close SL, and these SL, and after taking this SL, it will shoot up and it will give the same amount of momentum because the previous day was trendy and we have a setup. See, we have a setup here, right? So after this, it has to go up, right? But before taking that, you have to manage your risk reward ratio. Based on that, you have to take the quantities and take the target, right? I guess this happened before also. I'm not sure where it happened, but I think we need to see. Okay, here also you can see there is a good rally in the market, there is a retracement in the market, it went up, closed here, right? And you see this is a small line here, this is the day start. See, after taking everybody's sell, it went up, right? See, up move, retrace, up move, retrace, up move. So these are like first, two and third momentum. After that, it retraced, it take the SL, and then again it went up, right? Again it came down here, it takes, see, it again take these SL it took, again it tapped the buying zone and it went up. So this happens in the market, so don't panic here. You have to just be confident. You have to follow only one setup. I'm not saying only one setup, but you have to follow some kind of a strategy, some kind of a pattern here. This pattern I told you, you can follow it and you can use it. Just make sure you follow top to down analysis, let's say from like higher time frame to lower time frame analysis, right? Right now if you see, we have seen some kind of momentums. You see there is like a trend line going up here, we have a pattern, which kind of a pattern here, right? See, this is the wedge pattern, this is the up move. So if market gives a up move, so here if market gives a trap and moves up, so here you can buy it. You have a stop loss here and you have a target 1, target 2, like this, and all time high is a target 3, right? So these things can happen, right? But those who remember, you can clearly see there is so much up move in the market. See, I will switch back to the 30-minute time frame, right? Because we need to see a good chart here, right? See, we have a good rally here and there is no, see, here we have a corrections as well. We have correction, we have time correction, we have time correction, we have a price correction right now here, price correction, time correction, price correction. Again, it's like a more over a higher time frame, time correction, right? So I guess this can happen like this, or this can go down. There is nothing wrong with it, right? But if you see, there is a so good rally happen in past few days here, and I think there is a so much liquidity present on higher time frame. Higher time frame, that means here liquidity, 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 liquidity. We have first, see, these are the smaller time frame liquidities which market took yesterday itself, right? Here also it took the liquidity, right? See, it took the liquidity, it came down here on higher time frame. You see now after this level there is a liquidity present here, and you see it took somewhere around here. So these people's liquidity got triggered here, and then price moving up. So if this liquidity is valid and market has already filled it, then it can move up higher. Again it will give a trend line breakout. At least it will take sellers liquidity, right? Where is the sellers liquidity? First swing, second swing. And where is the majority of sellers? A big seller present somewhere around here, because we have seen such kind of a candle here. So we have to, like, if we have bought somewhere around here or here after the confirmation, we have like our target is like first target, second target, and then third target probably in this zone. I'm saying zone because we don't know from where, from which exact point the selling came, right? So here this is going to be like our target 3. After target 3 we have to exit like our 70 to 80% quantity. Like we have to exit here some quantity, here some quantity, and most of, like, majority we have to exit it here, and then hold remaining quantity. But after, for the remaining quantity, your target is going to be like this or like this. The reason why I'm saying, because see, there is a rally, there is a retracement here, there is a SL hunting here. We have from this swing to this swing, it's almost like 0.5 0.618 level Fibonacci support, and it will go slowly. See, this takes time. See, around 1 2 3 4, it took 4 days. So let's see, if you have entered at bottom, it will come at your buying price, then it will go up again, it will come at like this it will do, and then after 2 to 3 days it will give you how much. So if you are just holding one quantity, it will give you probably around 60 $70, 60 70, right, around 700 pips in just single lot, right? So that is a good trade, right? Because you are risking only let's say 5 points, you are 5 6 points, and you are getting 70 60 70 points. It's almost like 1:10 risk reward ratio, right? And that do with the no risks, because you can clearly see here you have to book some profit here at 1:2, then at this level, at this level, at this level. So majority you will be exiting your quantity, and remaining quantity you will hold it for like these high or these high, and in between that you can do it like one thing. So if market gives a structure like this, see, up move, retrace, then consolidation, trap, and then again up move. So once this high get cross and candle closes, you can put stop loss here at the SL hunting swing, right? Then again it will move up, again it will come down, it will hit the SL somewhere around here, right? And then it went up again, it will cross the high, so you can put your SL at this level, right? So this is the strategy actually. See, I'll tell you, if you have bought somewhere around here, it went up, you have booked like 50%, 70%, then it came down at buying price, you don't need to do anything. You have to just hold it with the SL. Then it went up. See, this was the SL hunting swing. I will just delete all. See, this was the support. It did hit the SL and it went up. And now you see it close up higher, right? So here your SL is going to be like this. Again, it came down here. It did mark here. See, this was the SL hunting swing. So it went up and it like crossed here, it closed somewhere around here, right? But here we have another swing here, which is like same SL hunting. So your stop loss is going to be like this. Again it went up, close up, again went up. You see this strong momentum. After the breakout, you have to move your stop loss here. Again it went up, close, and just consolidating. You can, you know that, see, you can keep your SL at this level, and at this level you have to exit. Actually, I will prefer exiting in this zone only, because you see after this breakdown here, you are expecting to hit everybody's SL, right? So you have to probably exit it here, right? And if you see from this level, almost from 9 to 14th, 9 to 16th, almost like 7 days, right? 8 days, almost 7 8 days, and you got almost 128 points. That is, let's say 1300 pips, 1300 pips. And the risk was how much? The risk was almost 10 points. So for 10 points you got like almost 100 140 150 points, probably 150 points you got, right? So almost 1:15 risk reward ratio, right? That's probably a good, right? And you see you have booked almost how much? You have booked like 1:3 here, probably max profit 1:3, but here you got 1:10. Let's say you have like 4 quantities here, you book somewhere around at 20, sorry, let's say you have booked at 1:20 and 1:30. Let's see, here you book 50%, that is like $40 you booked, right? $40 you booked, and here 1:3 30 you booked another one quantity, which is like another 30, right? So you book like $70 profit here out of how much? 3 quantities, and the remaining one quantity, it gave you 130 points, $130. So total you made $200. And Rix was, let's say Rix was like almost $20. So 40, I don't say $20, it's like 5 or 7 point, right? So let's say 5 point and 4 point, yeah, $20. So for $20 rigs, you have made almost $200, right? And for this 4 quantities, you need just like, see, $20 margin plus 10, plus 10, like plus minus, let's say you have to keep some account, right? So let's say you need like almost $10 plus this $20. So almost for this $30, for $30 you have made almost $200. So it's like almost 6x risk reward ratio. Multiply your account by like 6x, right? But you have to keep, you have to like, don't need risks all your account in just one trade. Let's say you have $200 account and you are risking like $20, so that is fine because 10% you can risk it, right? But only if you are trading only once a day, right? If you are taking multiple trades, you have to divide this 20 into like $6 per trade to take 3 trades, so it will be approximately $20 for the day, right? And in Forex, don't deploy your 100% capital here. You have to like let's say you have like 1 lakh in your account, or let's say you have $1,000 in your account, right? So you have $1,000, so first pay in $100 here and trade with $100, right? And with the risk reward ratio, like you can risk $10 and you take 10 trades here. If you see, you take 10 trades here and then you lost all, you will be losing your account $100. Another $100 you can pay in, right? But I guess it will at least 4 trades or 3 trades, it will give you a good profit here. I mean, at least it will target it. If you focus on 1:2, it will be covering like 6 trades losses, and you will left with only 4 trade loss, right? So I guess it will be a good start if you start with this, so that in order to like while trading you will understand market psychology, market structure, market traps, market behavior, and all these things, right? So I guess I think that's it for today. That's it for the discussion purpose. And you see there are some setups which I took here. We have some buys here, we have some buys here. Okay, we have one more sale here yesterday itself, right? I will tell you the logic for this sale, right? Yesterday night I did this sale and I booked some profit at this level, and I didn't book this profit, but I usually kept my trailing SL at here, and in the morning it got hit somewhere around here, right? So I wanted to sell it at here also to take all these people SL and this day low SLs, but I was not much confident because we had a trend line and we had some big buying zone here. So instead of selling at this level, I guess I was available somewhere around in this region. So instead of selling, I mean, I wanted to take the same trade here. See, I wanted to take the same trade here, which I took yesterday, right? But I was not getting good confidence, so I thought if it gives some kind of a thing, it will move up from here, because here also it looks like a trap here, right? So it can move up from here. This was my like I was not confident, right? So I didn't took that, and when market came at here, I added some quantity here, again added some quantity here. Here at retracement I added some quantities and booked like 1:2 here, and then I'm holding the rest quantities, right? So this was the good setup as of now actually, right? But I will tell you this setup why I see. We have a support. See, I will tell you one more thing, right? You know market cycle. See, this is a downfall and this is the channel pattern. See, after this, what do you expect? A downfall, right? After downfall, retracement, and again a downfall you expect, right? See, we have how much rally here? We have almost 30-point rally here. So I'm expecting after this breakdown a 30-point rally, and you see it went up. It went like almost 30 points, right? So the cycle was completed, right? So I was waiting for retracement, and you know guys, retracement, how you mark retracement? A swing here, you can mark it from either here or from here. There is nothing wrong, but just make sure you follow this zone. I will hide everything. Okay, we don't need to hide everything, right? We will mark this. See, this was the zone, right? And now I will delete this. Okay, we can, you can do it like this also. You can do it like this, and we will mark this with the red, right? See, these are the two selling zones, right? First one is as per this swing, and second one is as per the top swing, right? So we'll hide this. See, from this, okay, we need to use pen right now with the blacking, right? See, this swing high and swing low, we have this retest zone, right? You see a double top here, a breakdown here, and a consolidation, right? So this was the reason. And even if you consider this one and this one, this was at 0.618 level. It did give a fake breakout here, and then it closed and it was trying moving down. So I did one thing, I shorted it here. First SL I keep it here, second SL I keep it here. I executed two quantities. When market came down here at this level or at somewhere around here, I did one booked quantity, and then I did like remaining SL I trailed somewhere around at cost or with some $1 $2 profit here, right? And it you see it came down here 12-13 points. It gave me for like 1:2 1:3 risk reward ratio. It give as per the previous risk reward ratio, but when I reduced my SL, it was like 1:6 or 7, because my SL was very small, 2-3 points only, right? So it did give like 1:6 for me, and then it reversed, but I was sleeping and I had like put my stop loss in the system. So I think here or here, I don't know where I got my SL hitted, but it hitted and it gave me a profit of $1 only, right? Because I trailed my SL at CTC, and then in the morning when I saw it was somewhere around here, if I short it here and even if I keep the same target, I would have booked the same profit here, right? but that's a part of game. We can't expect and we can't trade like that, right? So this was the simple reason. Fibonacci, we have a trap here, we have a consolidation. One more thing you can consider here, see, this is the higher time frame. We have a same setup here, we have a trap here and we have a consolidation, a kind of inverted flag and pole pattern. See, we have a rally here, we have a small flag and pole pattern here, we have a breakdown and retest and it went down here. Are you getting my point? The same setup I tried. Let's just switch back to the 1 minute time frame. It's not giving good vibe here, it's giving rejection candles here. If you remember, see, these are the two red candles, there is a one more red candle which is a strong red candle, I can see, right? See, if it crosses the high, that's fine, but if it not crosses, I think it will give like up more retrace, so it will give big retracement from this swing to swing high. I think it will probably come at this level and then it will go up, right? So this is the like analysis, guys. This is just analysis. It will take everybody the sell who are in place and then it will tap the buying zone and then it will go up, right? So just look at this, but we are not going to sell it here because the trend is like we are considering it positive trend. We can mark like from bottom, sorry, top to bottom Fibonacci, and if it is at 0.5 level, you can definitely try selling it here because it will create a fake breakout here and then you can expect another downfall here. But it has to follow one more thing, it has to be rejecting from the 0.5 or 0.618 level only, right? So let's delete all, come up here, and then I'm going to tell you what. Yeah, here, right? See, here it was it, right? See, this was the rally, it went up, it consolidated, it given a, see, breakdown, retest. I did shorted somewhere around here. I guess here I added, I don't know, but here I like 2 times I added, I don't know exact price, and here I placed one more sell order here, keeping a sell, I guess somewhere around here, right? But here if you see it didn't execute it. If that executed, I would have booked that profit somewhere around here with the 1:2 to the risk reward ratio, right? But I had only two quantities which I took fast because I know that if market has given a see, this is the trap, guys. See, this double top and this was the fake breakout and it did close below, then consolidating, not going up. So I did like I placed one stop loss here, second stop loss here. So for this average I got like 1:2 to risk reward ratio. So one is like safer side, one is like aggressive entry, right? And one was like safer entry, but that entry not triggered. Are you getting my point? So that not triggered, so that was happened, like that's what happened with me, right? And it did went down. See, this was the simple trade. This was it. How much was this? Let's see how much was this. This was like almost 6 points, right? And after the breakdown, if you see 6-7 points it gave, right? And here I did book profit because here it has like a big swing here, right? And then it went down, almost at bottom it went up almost 13 points. I was getting I was available at that time around 12. I was there when I wake up or when I got check my screen, it was showing 13 or point something, 13, I guess. I took entry somewhere on here, right? So if you see, yeah, 13. So here I was available, right? So what I did one thing, I did like place my stop loss somewhere around here. So here my entry, here my stop loss, and in the morning it went and hit my stop loss, right? Anyway, that's part of game, guys, and we know how to follow these things, right? I guess okay, it did give a rejection candle, but the next candle is immediately reversed. Looks like this was the trap and this was the invitation, and I guess it can travel another high here, right? And now we will tell you guys, see, market is like every time it will take the SL liquidity and then move up or down, right? See, now if somebody has shorted here with so much pressure and if market is moving up against his, if they really want to make money, they will like try some Fibonacci, and I think they will try to sell it from here itself, right? Here itself they will try to sell. Actually here this is the selling zone, but here it just consolidating, so that is giving me a confidence, right? So if it moves and crosses the swing high, I can take everybody's SL here. See, everybody SL will get hitted, price will move to this swing, right? And I have bought somewhere around here I have bought, right? So I will get a very big target here. See, we'll mark it for you. See, this is the buying position. See, here probably I bought around 80-82 here, somewhere around here. Let's delete all these drawings, and see, I'm getting almost like here I will target like almost how much it is. Almost here it was the SL, it like 1:3 probably, but here when I bought it with the confirmation, my SL is going to be like almost 3 to 4 points only, so it's like almost 1:6, probably 1:6 if everybody's SL get hit, right? And I did tried buying one quantity here, if you remember it correctly. Here I bought one quantity, and here I booked somewhere around here exactly 90.350, somewhere around here. Yeah, here I booked, right? I kept my order at like limit price, so it got hit, right? And the trade was simple, guys. See, this was it, almost 1:2.5, right? I did book because it was the scalping entry, and you see there was a good trend here, buy trend. This was a retracement, everybody's sell got hit. It went up first hammer candle. See how I got the confirmation. See, I got like first hammer candle, I was confident to enter, but here there was a swing. Another, it came down here, it gave another engulfing candle. So on the next candle, it directly went up, it came down, and I executed my quantity. And in next 4 minutes, I was like risk free. I was not worrying about anything. And in next like a few more minutes, it went up, and then it started consolidating. And here it got my target hit. It reversed again, tapped the zone, or it consolidated. And see, guys, on 1 minute time frame also we have the same setup here, right? The setup which we discussed here. See, it went up, consolidated, first gave fake breakout, and it came down here, and here it gave breakout another. See, this happens, but you have to trade in a trendy market here. See, this is the retracement setup, this is the consolidation setup, this is also a consolidation setup. You see, every setup worked here, right? And those who know, market has 3 cycles for a shorter time frame. Which are these 3 cycles? See, first cycle, second cycle, probably third cycle. After third cycle, I'm expecting a retracement or a consolidation here. See, this was the consolidation, and if I am not wrong, this was consolidating for almost an hour. So 1 hour consolidation, and I'm expecting another 3 cycles here. See, from this to this, it's almost 20 points. So what I'm expecting right now, I'm expecting another 20 point rally. See, probably somewhere around here at this retest level. See, 20 points at this retest level I'm expecting, but not in a one go. I'm expecting in another 3 cycles. See, first cycle, second cycle, third cycle. See, first cycle, second cycle, third cycle. It might be 2 cycle, 1 cycle, I don't know, but I am expecting, and I know this can happen. So I have to take a trade. So how I can take a trade? Maybe I will try like this. At retest, I will enter with the SL of 2 points, and I will be trading these targets. See, this is the target. See, almost 1:3, but here I will book few quantities at 1:2. I will book remaining quantities at 1:3. So this is the first thing that I can do, right? So this is on 1 minute time frame. Obviously, you have to shift to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, it's a good sign. On 15 minute time frame, 3 minutes remaining. If the candle closes strong, see, if the candle closes strong above the swing, even if you get a small retest, you can try entering here. But if it rejects without crossing, that means the sellers are still present there, and they can move market downside. I mean, it will again create a trap consolidation, and then it will create some impact here. It will test the trend line, and then it will move up. Here it will be rally, it will be a consolidation, big pattern, and it will tap the level, and then it will go up, right? So this can happen because in the morning itself, up move happen, consolidation happen, down move happen, up move happen, and again consolidation happening, right? So in this consolidation, if you don't want to get trapped, wait for a candle closing, wait for a confirmation, and after the confirmation you can take entry. See, it's going to be like a reversal candle, but I'm not telling you to short here because the trend is, we are looking for positive. Okay, we'll discuss about the negative trend also, right? Negative trend was like started from here to here, right? And you see the rejection zone was here. See, if market has like traveled downside like this, it would have like from this level itself, right? But it went up, and now it's again moving up, so there is no sell setup present here, right? I know it can give selling from this level, no issue, because this is the retest level, but I'm not expecting here. I'm not going to sell it here because this can be trap also, right? I'm confident when market rejects from the 0.5 0.61 at level. It is currently trading above the zone. Above the zone, I'm not interested. Yeah, even if it gives signal like this and gives a breakdown, I will be interested. But at this scenario also I will be not interested, because we have a trend line support here. See, we have a trend line support here. It was a fake breakdown, it immediately reversed. So even if came down here, gives a sell entry, it will come down, it will take the support and it will reverse, because the trend is positive and it will move up higher, right? It will move up very much good high price. I mean, it will move very fast up, right? Because see, here is the rally again, here is the rally, here is the rally. So if people centered in sell position, and if market wants to, like, if market traps them and then moves up, sellers will become buyers, and the big player is already in buy, and then market will move like very fast up like this or like this, right? So we'll get another, like in half an hour we'll get another 200 pips, that is almost 20-30 points in just few minutes, guys, in just few minutes, right? Okay, anyway, we will do one thing. We'll, like, see on hourly time frame what market is currently doing. Okay, hourly candle is like doji candle, and 4 hour candle is just started with the first hour and it has made a top bottom wick. Can we expect another top high here at round number 3400, almost 80 pips, almost 8 points from the current market price, right? CMP, we'll see if we can get. Actually, I think it did hit it, like it did cross the previous candle. I mean, 1 hour high. It did touch the previous high in the same candle, and then it reversed, right? So that was the thing to worry. Well, anyways, we got a rejection, good rejection from here. So that's why I told you. Now people will think like this way, guys. See, we have like this breakout and it is at retest, so we buy here, we keep SL here. No, this is not true. See, we had a rejection from the same level. It's going down and there is no sign of reversal, right? When I tried buying here at this level, if you remember it, see, when I tried buying at this level, I waited for this hammer candle, again engulfing candle. There was a support. This support was like fake breakdown, or it just took the liquidity and then went up. So here, if it is a breakout, where is the liquidity? Somewhere around here. So if it is a breakout, it will come down here, it will take the liquidity and then it will go up. So before this analysis, what was our analysis? By looking at these two candles, it will come down here, it will take this liquidity and it will tap the zone and then it will go up. Are you getting my point? So even if it come down here till this level, I'm still in the buys only. I just need a confirmation, right? And I will tell you one more thing here. Let's just delete all these drawings and let's mark our Fibonacci, because we have a low here, we have a high here. And where is our buying zone? See, here we have our buying zone. So it's almost a very much big down. So even if markets come down here, I'm still in the buys only. Are you getting my point? Because here it is a trend line support. We have a small SL probably at this level. So here we have a like good risk reward ratio. See, market is in uptrend. We don't know from where it will reverse. Even if I short it here after the breakdown, my SL is going to be like 5 points, and target is just like, it's a buying zone, right? So it's just like 1:1.2, not even 1:1.5 also. So I can't take this risk. Even if I short it here, and if this is a retest, see, if this is a retest and moves up, I don't know whether it will move down or not. Here, if market has traveled like from this itself, I can short it here and I can take target 1, target 2, but my SL is going to be like this. See, after this breakdown, see, this is going to be like my target here. Probably here 1:1.5 and then 1:4.5, right? The reason why I'm saying this, because here it's a 0.5, 0.618 level zone. Now it's given a breakout and it's consolidating, invited buyers here, and now it will invite sellers, right? Invite sellers, and then it will move up higher. I mean, this is the probability, but there is no probability, like there is no setup for sale here, because market is like, it traveled very much up. See, it traveled very much up, consolidated. So I am not getting confidence on the sale setup, right? We'll do one thing, we'll add few quantities if I get a good sign here, right? So that you will also understand what a trade and what a confidence looks like, right? And we have some buys here with the SL of this swing almost 3.5 points, and our target is going to be like 1:4. Obviously we will be booking some profit at 1:2, somewhere around here in this swing, and then we will be holding remaining quantities for 1:3, 4, or even at round number, or like even for the all-time high also we can hold it, right? Currently my profit has reduced to $30 as of now, because it did move almost down by how much points? Almost 6 point it moved, right? And I had 3 quantities holding, almost $20 I lost, right? So it was even okay. Let's just see if we can do it like this. See, market every time take liquidity, right? See, first these people's liquidity got, then these people liquidity got. I think it will tap this zone and move up higher, right? Let's just wait here. We'll see if we get a signal. I mean, if we get a sign here, a reversal sign here. Okay, we have to mark it like this, right? The reason why I'm saying, because see, I will tell you why I marked this zone, right? See, we know we have a swing here, but it will just create a spike here and then it will move up, right? So it will give a hammer candle or like candles here. So we have to trade these candles, right? Okay, so okay, we have my trailing SL somewhere around, I don't know where I put, but it's on 3385. Let's see, 3385, where is it? Okay, here it is, right? 3385. Fine. Now see, if market hits this SL, we have a buy here, we have a swing here, we have also a stop here, right? So if it moves and gives a hammer candle, green candle, a good green candle, we will probably going to buy it here. Now you see it is taking rejection from the same level, right? So this is the thing we needed, right? But here we need like this. We'll keep SL somewhere around here. A small scalp will try, right? So these are the scalp setup I will try with the SL of how much? Almost 10 pips, right? 10 pips SL. We need good, and even if it goes for retest is like somewhat what, downfall and retrace, right? Even if it gives a small retracement, we'll book 1:3 here at this level, right? But wait for the entry here, right? Wait for the entry here and then we'll try. Okay, let's just see. Okay, let's see how much is like how our audio is going, right? It's good, right? That's fine. 11:35 right now. Okay, it's giving a good sign, but it went up. I need it like a hammer candle at this level, guys. A small candle, it will be fine for me, right? But even if it reverses from here, this is not going to work for me, right? Let me do one thing. You can add chart resource. Health is okay. It was 40 minutes ago. Fine. Okay, it coming down. That's a good thing, right? And let me come to my broker, switch back to the 1 minute time frame, buy order ready if it gives some sign, right? Fine, it's coming down. Now if it gives a hammer sign, candle, good green candle, a green candle or like red candle also fine, but it has to be a hammer candle, right? And one more thing you can notice it here, you have a inverted hammer right up and you have a bottom hammer also. Let's wait for retest, guys. See, we have 30 seconds, but let's just wait for retrace. And even if you retrace, you can take buy entry, keep SL like this 3386 something around here. We'll do one thing, guys. We'll keep pending order because I have to execute that order at very fast level, right? And I will keep the SL in system also, right? We have SL of almost $2 and I will be placing two quantities at my buying level somewhere around here because I know this is going to be like good green candle, right? Okay, it's a good green candle and the SL I have to keep $2.5 I will keep for the second order, right? So I have kept like $5 SL and 4 quantities in buys, right? So if it comes down, taps it and then moves up, I am going to book one quantity at 1:2 and then rest quantity, right? I know, see, we were trying to buy somewhere around here to get a good risk reward ratio, but like it did went up, right? So anyway, fine. We just a scalping entry in scalping, you have to be like very quick, right? Now see how much it hit 1:2. Now tell me, guys, whether I was wrong, right, whatever I'm saying. See, it did hit 1:2, right? And this was the retest level as of now we can see. And yeah, obviously, guys, you can see almost it hit 1:2, right? Anyway, fine, we can't do anything if market gives, like if market doesn't gives entry and just moves up, right? So well, we can't do anything. See, it went up, right? It went up and we have a retest level somewhere around, we have swing here, right? We have swing here somewhere around here, right? Even if it crosses this candle, I'm going to cancel my entry. See, because I was waiting for this retracement, right? But retracement and then moving up. I don't know where it will move up or not, but I think it will give retracement and then fall. So this retracement I have to book like majority of my quantity. So if I book majority of my quantity, I'm going to win, right? Let's just see 5 minute time frame, hide everything and see, it was two rejection candles and this looks like a retracement. See, up move retest, and now it's going up. See, every time it gives, see, up move, see, these are the red candles. Are you getting my point? See, these are the red candles, right? And then moves up again. Anyway, that's fine. So we'll wait here. 15-minute time frame, you see there is no top rejection here, but anyway, fine. Let's see hourly candle. Okay, it's just a starting of this and it has created a bottom wick here on hourly time frame. If it crosses the high, it's going to be another these two candles. So these two candles probably it will take everybody's sell, right? So if it crosses the high and moves up higher like this, obviously we are going to get our target, right? Okay, we'll wait here. 30-minute fine, 15-minute fine. 5 minute is also good thing. 1 minute is obviously it's a good, right? And where I keep my order at 3387837, almost 3389 probably here, right? So we'll keep my order because it's just $5 risk. I can take that $5 risk. Fine. Let's just wait here. If my entry gets triggered, I will update you guys, right? Okay, anyways, fine. Okay, okay, my entries got triggered, guys. It was a rejection candle and my entries got triggered, right? So I have my SLs in the systems. We'll wait for the SLs, right? And I will show you all drawings. I have SL at which level, see? I will mark it for you, and this is going to be like our stop levels, right? See, this is the stop levels, right? So this is the stop levels. You can keep like 10 pips, 10, 11 pips SL. And I will also make sure to have these at good levels, right? Fine. Okay, my orders are triggered, and you know where I triggered? Exactly at this level, right? At this level I had my keep buys orders are pending, and now we have our 1:2. Where it is? Here it is, right? We'll see, guys, whether this targets get hitted or not, right? So obviously I'm looking for the double tap here, or the crossing here, right? How much time remaining to close the candle? I don't know. Okay, I guess it did went down, right? I hide everything, switch back to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, 5 minute candle is not closed good, but we have entered in a buy trend with the small stop loss. Just we have to like be confident on this, because even like what happened in this candle, it will take this candle low and then it will move up, right? So this can happen, right? So obviously if it gives SL, that's fine, because I had trades only small amount of money, right? And that gives me a confidence to trade again in the same trade, right? It did went up, it did give sign. You see again another hammer candle at the same level. See, we have another hammer candle, we have a hammer candle, both are at same level. But the thing is that if previous 5 minute candle was a good green candle, we will be more confident. Are you getting my point? I will hide everything, I will tell you guys. See, if this candle is a good red candle, I'm sorry, good green candle, obviously when there is a good green candle, price moves up, again comes down, it will take support and again it will move up, right? So these things happens in the market. Nothing to worry, right? So let's just switch back to the 1 minute time frame, show everything, and we have, what do you think, guys? Should I hold this for big target of 1:7, or should I keep booking few profits? We'll do one thing, guys. We'll book only one quantity here. Almost giving me 20 pips as of now. See, it's going up, guys. I told you, na. Minute time frame, see. Okay, will be at my chart. It did hit my 1:2, guys. It did hit my 1:2, right? Are you getting my point? See how much it hit it? 1:2.3, right? But anyway, fine. That's fine. Nothing to worry, guys. Okay, candle close. I need to wait or close. I'm just thinking about this. I guess I can do it like let's just see if it crosses the current swing. I'm going to book one quantity here, right? I will be making it risk free, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, in trading view, it did cross the candle, but in my broker, it didn't cross the candle, right? In broker, the high is not broken, but here, if you see, the high is broken here. I don't know why. Okay, now high is broken here. Now it's a double bottom, guys. Sorry, double bottom here, crossed, and then we have a retest level here, so we can't expect it to give some like good rally here, but obviously that's fine. That's what we expected here, right? Fine, fine, fine. We can't do anything right now. Let's keep booking some profits here. We'll do one thing. We'll keep booking half quantities here, right? Okay, I'm at my target. Okay, it did rejection. It took rejection right very fast, right? So I have to like very fast. Okay, it did came down again. Okay, there are sellers who are pushing price down here, and if market gives a small bump here, I'm going to book 50% quantity here, right? At $2.5, I mean 25 pips I can say for one quantity, but it's not stable at that level, right? Anyway, fine. How much time? 26 seconds remaining. 5-minute candle is about to close green, and 15-minute candle is about to close with a rejection, right? Okay, fine. I think it will take it will at least give a spike at candle high, right? So I think I should get time to exit my quantity. I will get a time to exit my quantity. Okay, it's a rejection candle, right? Okay, let's just see if even if gives a small spike, I'm going to exit, right? Okay, 2.4, 2.46, 2.3, 2. Actually, it is at exactly at 1:2, right? I can exit at any time. See, it is almost at more than 1:2, right? So let's just do it. Wait, guys, wait. 2.38. One quantity. I have to exit one quantity. I'm just waiting. See, 1:3, 2.3. It's giving me, right? So I had risks of $1.22, 1.20, and it's giving me right now. It's down, guys. It's down. I'm sorry. Okay, fine. Nothing to worry. It's just a 5-minute candle close, and it's a bottom week. We might get another chance to exit, right? Let's just skip, reduce our SL to. Let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait as of now because I'm still at profit. Like I'm still running in the profit. Okay, I didn't expected this heavy red candle, but this can be a trap for uh, sellers. I mean, buyers creating these candles just to make sure sellers will enter in the market and then it will move up higher, right? But anyway, remember this is the downtrend and this going to be like the retracement time correction on smaller time frame, and then there will be another rally if this support is not valid. So make sure if you are in trade, you have to book profit, right? The reason why I'm saying, see, the reason why I'm saying this, see, if I book profit here, even if market comes down and hit my SL, I am not going to lose anything because here I booked 1:2 and I'm going to lose only 1:1. So I will be still in 1:1 profit. Are you getting my point? So these are the things that you have to focus. Are you getting my point? Okay, fine. Anyways, we'll just switch back to the 5-minute time frame, hide everything, and the bottom wick is currently fine, right? Okay. Okay, this candle I think not close, right? So we have to see again. Okay, this candle is again closed with the rejection. So it's not giving me a good sign here. See, if this candle closes green, it will be like this, double bottom and like this. But it is taking rejection. That means it is giving some hammer candle at this top. It is taking rejection. It is giving rejection, right? Okay, anyway, just give me a moment. I have to look for a few things and then I will come back, right? Yeah, I told you, no, it is just like rejection. See, this was it, right? Just give me a moment. I will be back in few more minutes, right? Okay, where I need to put my mic. 5 minute candle to close. Let's just look at how the 5 minute candle is closing right now, right? It's like more than 1:1 profit, but let's just see. This is not a good sign on 5 minute, but if we look at the closing of 1 minute, this looks good, right? But I think I should have booked profit at the 1:2 quantities that I will be not losing much or more on this trade, right? Let's just wait here. 5 minute candle is closed. Red again. 10 minute candle is also looking good by looking at 5 minute. Right, it did take support, but it's not good. It's back to the 1 minute time frame, and currently we have a support. Then market came at support. If it gives a candlestick like this, fine. But big breakout like here, if big breakout, there is strong reason I told you already, right? And these are again strong two candles, so we have to like if process and that is a good sign, and we might see these as trapped, and it will move like these level market can move, right? But only after crossing things, right? um if not, then we might see another rally like this, downfall, and and again rally we will see in, right? And this will move. So we will wait here, and I will be reducing my stop loss from this point. From the See, I will be reducing my stop loss from these points to let's see, I will reduce it by like point 0.5 only. We'll keep SL of almost, we had like 10 pip SL, no? Now we'll keep only 5 pip SL, right? 0.5 SL. So I had like this one SLs modified in the system. Let me show profits. Nothing like profit doesn't matter, but let me show, right? Yes, local terminal. These are the two buys, and I have placed my SL somewhere around here. These are the buys order that I placed, limit orders. We have SL. I'm not good, right? So currently I am at like almost 1.3 and 1.5 dollar SL right now, right? So let's say $3 risks I have, right? And I know I told you why I reduce my SL, because see, when market will reverse, it will take my SL for sure. 101% it will take my SL. But if my SL gets saved, if my SL gets saved here like this, I have SL like this. If my SL gets saved, at least I can try these targets. See, I can try these around 50%. Skip this selling zone, right? So I will be targeting one, almost 35 pips for this one. Actually, for entry 7 for this 0.7, targeting one is right. So how I'm managing my risk? Okay, just give me a moment. I'll be back. Okay, we'll do one thing. I think I'm at good profit right now, ready, so that my entry will be risk free, right? So my trade will be risk free. Even if it's my stop loss, I will be at good profit, not with the small profit, but will be the good profit. So I'll be just closing one quantity here so that it will reduce my risk. So I had booked like $2.3 here with the one quantity, right? And now my SLs are like 1.5 and 0.66. So even if market comes down and hit my SL, I will be still in profit. Are you getting my point? All the remaining three quantities, even if market comes down and hit my SL, I will be still in profit. Are you getting my point? So I'm like currently at risk free, only risk free. but at my SL, not at CTC. I have not placed my stop loss at CTC. I just booked one quantity out of three, and I'm expecting 1:5 in this, risking my profits, get more profit. Let's say previously my target was like how much? $4, $4 plus $8 by my profit, right? And now my profit, I'm expecting it like how much? 91, 92, na? See, for almost $12, and I booked two, right? So 12 plus $2 was 14, $15. So previously my target was $8. Now my target is almost one more than that. I mean 1:2. Let's say $8 was my target, and now my target is like 14, $15, almost 2x of that. The risk was zero, right? I know there is a less probability, but I have to take the risk, guys. And remember, SL is at low, not at below this low, right? SL I have modified. I have booked few profits, not few. I have booked one quantity, and the candle is green. So I think might give, again. It's not giving good sign on 15-minute time, right? So okay, like it's going to give you a pressure on. I guess, yeah, because see, I told you there is a, I need like strong close above this, right? And there was no strong close selling, and I guess it will take my SL for sure, right? Okay, it's at my cost to cost, guys. See, it is at my cost. I think it will take my SL. Fine, I can do. Close everything. Fine, fine, fine. Now let's just hope for the market will go up. Because see, on 5-minute time frame, it is not looking. It is at support, but even if it makes a spike below the level, I'm going to hit my stop loss. Anyway, we'll be back in few minutes. Let's just see my SL orders, right? So if market comes down, my SL obviously will get hit, right? Okay, it's about to hit. It's about to hit. It's about to hit, man. Almost just 0.01 remaining, I will tell you. But I think it will hit my SL for sure, guys. I have a very good faith in this, right? See, I will tell you. Okay, I just took a screenshot and it got, both orders got hit. I guess it got in spike, I guess. Yeah. Fine. Both trades are out. It here. What is happening? These are the two SLs. Level it ate, right? I think I have to keep a buffer, but I have not kept a buffer, but that's fine. Nothing I can do that about, right? Fine, fine, fine. Now just hope that my trailing SL will not get hit here for these orders, right? Previous order. Okay, fine. I'm at like loss, so let's just show you trade side. Okay, fine. Okay, so see, I will tell you. Okay, we have one more entry also. See, uh, okay, let's just keep it here. Fine, right? See, should be a white pen. See, this was the morning entry. I booked half quantity. See, you, I think here I got the trailing entry, right? See, two quantities, and there was SLC 84. I bought 82. I keep SL almost 20 pips, and I booked TP. It's a take profit, right? So almost at 6 points I booked, right? So $2. Let's say 2 point was my stop loss, and I booked six. So almost 1:3 I booked, right? So 1:3 I booked, and then delete this, and then these four entries I took, right? I told you four entries, right? So these are the two plus these two are the combination, and I told you I booked one quantity. It was at 2.31, right? And you see, if you count this 1.5 and 0.61, it, I booked this quantity and keep my SL at CTC. So even if my hit SL, even if I hit my SL,
I have like not lose anything. So if I book like another $2.5, I will be in profit of that $2.3, right? $2.3 I will be in profit if I booked another one quantity from this lot, right? So I will be at profit, right? But anyway, I just risked that $2.3 to make $15, 15 to $16 I just made, like that, right? Anyway, fine, let's just delete this. And I think it got hitted in the spike itself, because I can clearly see it made a trap here. So we'll try to re-enter if possible with the small rigs with the remaining three quantities if it gives me but let's just switch back to the 15-minute time frame and see if these are valids or not. Okay, currently not good. Okay, hourly candle is at support, right, at closing level, right? And how much time? Half an hour remaining. 30-minute. 4 hour, it is at 4 hour support, so we have a 3386 as a support. We can keep target, I mean we can keep our SL at 86 level, right? So let's just make sure. Let me go to the my broker chart because it is at my buying level, right? Fine, I will be adding one more quantity. Let's just wait here. It came at my buying level, guys, right? So but I didn't got a chance to enter, so I'll enter once I see rejection from this level, right? I added one quantity, but I will be waiting for another one. Again added at the wrong time, guys. So I added and then it went up. See, again added at the wrong price here. Okay, fine. And 86 was my SL, right? So we're around here on 4 hour time frame. Fine. So this is going to be like our new scalp trade here as of now, and the target will be the same, 1:2. We're probably around here, right? The reason why I'm saying, see, after these candles, I'm not expecting it to like go down like this, right? Because see, it was just like stop loss hunting. It has like proven by giving candles. After this green, I'm not expecting these green candles, or like this candle I'm also not expecting. Currently, if you think I'm in like how much profit for these orders, almost $4 in profit. $4 in profit. If I book my $4 here because of my but anyways, fine. Now look at the guys, look at this thing. We kept our original SL somewhere around here. We would have not hated our SL, and we will let city. Right, that's fine, that's not worry here. But let's just wait. Now this candle is not, I have to pass because price action is right. The price action is, I wanted this candle to close above this, but it's being right. See, now I have to go to my broker because it's about to SL. In order to prevent, okay, try to add one more quantity here because it took the rejection, and I wanted to add few. It took rejection. That means it tapped the zone, right? I added one quantity and just reversed. Let's just wait, guys. See, stop loss like almost 1.5 points here. Not going more in this trade. Um, I'm thinking like this. It did hit the SL like here. Now going higher, right? So this was the SL. See, this was the support. Was the SL was the retest, right? So I am in the trade. Just how much quantity I'm holding right now? Six quantities I'm holding right now. But let's just wait. 6 into 1.5, probably we can say $10 risk instead, because I am getting a confidence here. Like I got confidence by looking at this candle, by looking at this candle, right? Now market, I have to just wait what market, I have to just wait what market will do it for me, right? 1 minute to close. It cross the previous candle. We just needed above the previous candle. That means we did a shift change like this. We get a shift change like this. Uh, then probably at this breakout, I'm going to add another cities, being the same. Then we'll profit at where around here and here. That's going to be good. Let's just hide everything. I mean, show everything if or not. Okay, we have some here. Minute can, okay, it's 30 minute. Okay, But I told, like, I had seen rejection, I don't see a previous candle it closed. 1 minute candle, 5 minute candle is not closing. Guys, see, I wanted to close candle. See, the rejection candle, the same candle I wanted candle up 7 seconds. Candle closing. That means a sign for. Are you getting my point? Sign it. Now it's body candle. So that's the guys, right? So either this, there will be two things. The sell got hit, sellers, while looking at the close, adding few sell quantities, and if market reverses, takes a, and I think we have to just that is in. Okay, Fibonacci is still buying zone. We are entering early, right? So yes, that might be a stop loss, because I thought this is the Fibonacci, not a Fibonacci, but I just keep hope that it will us profit, because we need to have. So let's just wait that we can of now. I will be back SL in the system because I'm it is I will keeping max $12 as my loss, and currently I am in profit of $20, right? Probably I will be anyways fine. I will be back in few moment. Okay guys, and I am back. Let me mute my phone because there are going to be a lot of notifications, right? Fine. So what I'm going to tell you right now here, see, we have entered in a trade which is good, giving us good confirmations, but not showing a trend change or structure change. So what does a structure change or trend change look like? See, downtrend like this, I can say this is the downtrend. It not it like it crossed but not close. Again it went up, again it tapped, again it like going down. This is a trend. And what does a trend change means? See, you see like this, like this, like this. Now at this level, at such level, it will move up. It will test again it will create either it will create double bottom or it will just spike up. It will cross above the swing and like this. So at this level, if you see there is a low break, but immediately it will reverse. Immediately it will cross the swing. It will come down. Again it will tap the level or this level. The both are fine. It will move up and again it will create double top and then it starts moving up. So this is called as the trend change. Here it's just a support. Are you getting my point? Previously I saw these two candles. That means there is a good buy level. I mean not good buy level I can say, but there was a good buying happened in the market. Another candle, this was the green candle which was another time giving me a good confirmation for buys. So that's why I added few quantities here. And after that it did close below, so I'm not adding more quantities. I'm just holding with the SL. Right now we have a swing here. See, we have like swing here, like this swing, total swing here. So if, and see, we have a low here, right? We have a low break, a fake breakout we can say, because price immediately reversed. But in order to verify the trend change, market has to travel, retest, travel above the swings, which is probably this zone, right? And then retest either this zone or this zone, both fine. And then it has to touch or taste the zone. Once it tastes the zone, we know that we entered somewhere around here, right? And see, here itself we are going to get our majority of profit books. But if it reverse, we will be booking like 1 is to 5, 1 is to 7, 1 is to 8, 1 is to 10, like the profits, right? But here you have to keep in mind, you have to keep SL a bit small here, right? Are you getting my point? So these are the trades confirmations, and right now it's about to hit my SL, right? The reason, and also I have also, let me just take my SL first, right? This I'll be back in a minute by exiting my quantities, right? Fine. Okay, it's not at my SL right now, but we'll just wait because I have $11 profit running right now, right? With the previous quantities. Fine. So the reason I will delete this entry because it's a SL hunt entry. If it crosses the trend line, I'm going to exit it, right? Probably. Okay. See, and remember 86, it's at exactly the same level, right? Now the reason why I'm not confident or I have less confidence because of this. Because of this, I told you, I thought this is the buying zone, but our buying zone is here. So if I find a trap here, I am going to again enter with the same quantity. The same quantity means 0.06 or like more I can take if I get confirmation, but I'm not going to take all quantities at once. I'm going to like 0. I will be adding 0.2, then I got a confirmation, I will be adding another 0.2, then I got another confirmation and retest, I will be adding another few quantities, right? Are you getting my point? So this is what currently I am going to add it, right? Okay, so let's just delete this. Okay, fine. It's at, okay, it just saved, fine. We'll wait here, fine. Nothing wrong in it. I guess not tap, but let's just see if it reverses or what happens here. I'm still at like $15 loss. I had put my stop loss at CTC, but with the previous quantities, the quantities which I bought. And I think I have shown you one more entry, which I took here at 84. You see, here I took entry, right? Here I took entry. Then I kept SL at 82 or something like this. And then it went up and at 90.350 here I booked, right? Almost $12 I booked somewhere around here. See, 11 point something. So 5.5 I booked here. Okay, now get ready, guys. It's a breakdown candle, a big breakdown candle, right? And I guess we might get entry chance here. We might get another entry chance here. So we'll be okay. We'll just keep this like this, right? And get ready. Stop loss is going to be like this. We have this swing here, right? We have this swing here, right? So this swing is going to be like our SL, and probably entry will be at 0.5, right? We'll wait here for the confirmations which we took earlier in the previous trades, which is like let's see where we have a hammer candle, we have a retest like this, or here we had a hammer or we had two green candles, right? And at retest level we are going to take entry, right? So let's just keep waiting. And you know guys, market did gives these candles, right? Market did gives these candles, fine. Okay, okay, one of my safest entry, it got closed at $1.42 profit, and it was having how much quantities? Two quantities. So it was giving me how much profit? It was giving me almost $20 profit, right? So $20 loss, I sorry, $20 profit, I just missed that, right? Okay, it's going down without any entry. We'll wait here. We have one more swing here, kind of at this level, right? Let's just wait here. Okay, let's just see how 5-minute candle is closing. Okay, just 5 minutes. See, almost 58 pips, 6 points approximately, right? and it was, let's say, a good trade. I guess we missed something here. I think it was like a downfall and consolidation here. Okay, it went in 5 minutes, so that's why we were not able to let's say we were not able to discuss it, or we were not able to track it, right? See, it was in like in just 5 minutes, or in just like few more minutes, like 2-3 minutes, it just went down, right? See what we missed here, we missed like this breakdown, and we thought this is the support zone, right? But here it just closed and gave so much good downfall, right? Anyway, let's just wait here. It's a hammer candle, but I guess we don't have a sell, or okay, we have a green candle. If this candle closes green, we might need to take one more entry with the 20 pip sell, right? Anyways, fine. Let's just switch back to the more time frame. More. Okay, 15-minute candle is not good, guys. What do you think? 30-minute? Okay, it is at very good level. 1 hour candle also. Okay, it's not good candle, I can say as of now. Just give me a moment. Who is messaging me? Okay, so somebody shorted at the time. We missed that. I guess somebody shorted at somewhere around here. Here I shorted, right? And he's at good profit. Anyway, fine. We had like buying from bottom level, so we kept. Okay, is this a retest or what? What do you think? After downfall, retest and another downfall, right? So we have to wait. Wait and watch. Wait and watch. It closed with a rejection, but it is at our buying zone and this broke at retest level. What do you think? What we can do here? Let's just see. Let's just see, right? I guess I need to like take entry because it's just like small entry. Even if it goes for retest like this, I am going to book some profit here, right? And the targets are very insane high targets, insane high targets. Almost 20-30 pips we can track right here. 20-23 pips we can have that. Okay, let's just wait here. Okay, it did going upside without. Okay, we had a very small chance to enter at this retracement, guys. We had a very small chance, but we don't had a confirmation. Okay, where did I hit my stop loss? Trailing stop loss for two quantities. Let's give me a moment. It should be in close order. Close price 82.200. 82.200. Yeah, here exactly. I just hit my stop loss. See, guys, I told you, na. So this is what happens. Missed so good profit, guys. Missed so good profit here. If you see, if I just had take this entry, it's giving me 20 30 pips. Okay, XNS is showing me orders, stop loss hunting orders right now. Previously also it shows, but it now again told me. This was it, guys. That was the trade for my. This was it, right? Anyways, I find I missed that. I have to like take with the two quantity itself because I was waiting for this green candle. It didn't like I got a green candle. I got time to enter also. Almost 40 pips, guys. 40 pips, two quantities, $8, and I'm out from the trade. I'm out from the trade and out for the day also, right? It was such a good trade. It was such a good trade. See, 15-minute candle total reversed, 1 hour candle total. Okay, it's not a total recover, but 15-minute it's a total recovery candle. See, almost recovered. 5 minute is almost recovered, guys. See, 1 minute remaining, almost recovered. Now we'll see if this is a retest or what. But see, this is the importance, guys. See, we know that market will come at this level. So I kept my trailing SL 10 pips away, 1 point away from this, and it did hit the SL. I did not expected that market will break the swing, but if you see, we have a swing here, right? So it did tap the level and then moved up. Fine, fine, fine. Let's just wait here and we'll see. Now we have this good rally. what we can do here. I had like 150 50 plus dollars were running, and I did book loss, man. 20, how much point I missed here? Almost 26 points. $26 I missed here, right? So currently at 116 because of the SL, but fine, can't do anything about. Okay, let's just see now. It is proved that it's going to go upside, but I guess I think we might need to wait for a retracement, but it will not give retracement. I guess it will just shoot up higher, higher. I think it will take these SLs for sure, guys. Anyway, fine. We'll wait here. Okay, we don't need this zone right now, right? We don't need this zone also. See, I told you, na, it is going to give you a good entry. See? Now tell me, guys, those who shorted here, their SL is going to hit here, and those who shorted here, they will be in full panic. What is happening in the market? Why this red candle is total covered? I don't know, man. Why the hell is going up? I know, man. I was in buys only. I didn't sell. Like, I know this was like a sell entry, and if it gives a breakdown, it will fall down and tap the level. But I didn't short it because I know if I short and if it gives a reversal, it will be very quick. Sometimes it just 1 minute candle to cover 50-60 pips, man. Just 1 minute and you will be out like 50-60 pips. Currently, see which was our entry price. We were trying to enter at green candle. See green candle, stop loss probably at this level almost 15. Okay, it's like showing 20, but here it was, this was the SL. See, this was the SL for us. Almost how much? Actually, we were trying to enter somewhere around here, and the SL was somewhere around here with the 22 pips, right? 20 pips, and it's now how much? It's almost at 1 is to 2. And this with the modified SL, it is like 1 is to 4 already. 1 is to 4 already, guys. 1 is to 4, right? Anyway, we'll just wait here. Nothing that we can do. Okay, we just missed this. Even if I take with the two quantity, it will be $10 profit, right? So anyway, fine. Mm-mm. 15-minute candle, 7 minute remaining, full covered. 1 hour candle, it's like good candle closing, but I think it will again come down for testing because see, this is a support zone closing here, so like this, and then it will go up. I guess so, but let's just wait here. We had nothing to do with that candle, right? Let's just see. Let's just see what we can do here. It's like a retest level for this breakdown, right? And also there will be some buyers will panic buyers will come, and the panic sellers will get exit from the trade, right? So they will exit, and I think we might get a entry somewhere around here. But let's just wait here, guys. Let's just wait. I don't think so. It's a good idea to enter at this such a good reversal because we don't know it's a reversal or what as of now before confirming it, right? Anyway, fine. We have to just wait. Mhm. Okay, okay. Red candle, red candle, red candle. See, red candle. Okay, it was a retest coming down. 5 minute candle go to close, but it should be going up, right? Fine, nothing to worry. I think it was a good idea, right? Let's just see 15-minute candle, 6 minutes remaining. It retested and going down. But if we are in buys, we have to look for this kind of setups, guys. See. We'll do one thing, guys. We have this buying zone here. Now we have to go with the less quantity, right? We have to go with the less quantity here. This is the buying zone. And let's just see which trade we can try here. We don't have a stop loss. See, when I tried here buying, see, when I tried buying here and when I booked some profit here, we had a swing here, which like here, these were the SL hunting. See, SL hunting. We had a swing, so we bought it here. We kept SL like this and then we modified the SL, right? But here, if we buy here, we don't have a SL here, guys. See, we have SL directly at the bottom. If I keep this 30 point SL and this, it's not looking good for me. Not looking good because it's on 1 minute time frame. See, this is on 1 minute time frame and we need some confirmation on 5 minute, 15 minute as well, right? So hide everything. 5 minute, okay, indecision candle, but that doesn't prove anything, man. If this slowly goes up, na, if this slowly goes up, we would have buy it, right? We would have bought it without wasting much time. See, like this, where did had it has like this. See, or even you can consider this like this. I bought it here, bought it here, like this. We can buy, and it has to give some like this. So like this, and then confirmation, stop loss, target 1, target 2, target 3, ultimate target, like this, right? And it will be okay. It will be like this, like this. So target 1, target 2, target 3, and ultimate target. So it's going to be like 1:8. That's a good target, right? Anyway, fine. We'll wait here. I think it's almost 12:30, right? I have to make an order. So we'll be ordering some food for lunch. And then we'll meet you guys in some time. Okay, I did add it, but I added at the wrong time, right? Add again. I keep that or exit, add somewhere there only. We'll keep that order, guys. We'll keep that order. Now, guys, you will notice that. See, I told you now. So we'll be going with this right now, right? All quantity, 20 pips SL at retest level, and small quantity I have added, and small quantity I have placed at here, right? So pending order. If that executes, my average will be somewhere around here, right? Okay, so but I think the market will not give us a chance to enter it again here because it's like a golden entry, right? Those who don't know, you can mark like this. We'll see it's taking support from the Fibonacci. Again, there was a swing here. We had a swing here, right? Like this thing, right? This happens in the market times, right? Only happens, right? Currently, my first target will be probably around here, right? I will be targeting. Everybody just sell. Let's say this is trend line actually. Can take resistance from here, but I am expecting it to go up high. And we will hide everything and we'll see on 5-minute time frame how market is performing, right? Okay, now see 1 minute remaining. If this candle closes green or strong green like this, another confirm, right? And see, this can be a good trade as well, right? See, good trade like this. Maybe I can trade it for, let's say I have entered somewhere around at 3384. It can be a 50-point trade also. It can be a 50. We'll just wait here, right? We can't do anything. But may I will be making sure to book some profit because here I did one mistake, right? So I didn't book the profit, right? So here book the profit because I entered somewhere. I wanted to here. I booked entered somewhere. Okay, one more thing, people do these kind of mistakes. I will tell you what kind of people mistake they do, right? So we'll hide everything. See, my entry is somewhere around here. Planned entry. SL is going to be like this, 20 pips I am assuming. And now my target is like 1 is to 2. So here is my risk reward ratio right now, right? But what happened here exactly today or this time, where while entering price went up to here. Now my risk reward ratio is 1 is to 1.26. So I have to book profit here itself. Here itself I have to book profit because here is the resistance level. And it's my mistake that I didn't entered here, I entered here. So for my mistake, I am not going to increase. I am not going to increase target like this. Are we getting my point? Here keep in mind that you have to follow risk reward ratio from your exact entry, proposed entry, exact proposed entry, not your actual entry, because actual entry sometimes here also, right? So here if stop loss is buffer, you have to manage it, you have to take that risk, you have to like next time while executing you have to wait for that thing, right? So I'm currently back in my trade, giving me a good profit. Right now I will be just modifying this previous entry right here. Fine, see I got 1 is to 2, right? So what I have to do, I have to just book two quantities here. So once it hit $10, I will be booking some profit. Now it should not reverse from this level. I am not. See what happened yesterday. I mean not yesterday or in the previous trade. Here I was waiting for $2.5 and it was giving me how much? It was giving me 2.4, 2.35. So for this $0.15, $0.15, I closed that trade at CTC. CTC. If I booked that, if I just ignore that 0.515, I would have booked like $2.5 in that trade because two quantities I will be booking, almost 2 to 4, almost $5, right? Let's say $5, but 4.8 I will be booking, right? 4.8 or 4.75. Let's say 4.75. If market comes down and hit my sell at $1, I will be just losing $1, $1, or let's say $2. $2 is the max. 1.3 I will lose, right? If I 1.3 or 1.5 if I consider, I would be in like in $3.25 profit. I will be in $3.25 profit. I will be in $3.25 profit. But here I did what? I booked zero. That's what happens, right? Anyway, we'll just delete this, and the price is returning now, and my profit is now reduced to 50% as of now, because see, 1 is to 2 is now converted into 1 is to 1, right? See, 1 is to 2 is now converted into 1 is to 1. Anyway, fine, that's nothing to worry. We are good at it, and that's fine. It's just for the round number I missed that, right? Anyway, fine. Okay, 5-minute rejection candle. Okay, it did went up in just 1 minute and came down, right? Anyway, fine, we'll just try to book some profit here. How much is it right now? Almost $11 running. Fine. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, now if you remember me correctly, I was waiting here for structure change right now. Now you see it went up, same high. It did cross the swing. So I'm expecting it like this. Are you getting my point? So anyway, like as you see, even if it comes down here, I will be taking a sell right now because I'm expecting it to go up. If it crosses like this, I have to exit early, right? So I don't need to keep a sell like this. I can reduce my sell right here, right? So my SL is going to be get shifted from 3 points. So currently like it was at around 35. So it's now at 1.6 point only, right? See, my SL was like how much? Here it was like 2.6, but my entry was late. So it was like something around big. But now my SL is going to be like only 1.5, 1.3 obviously. And let me just keep that in system so that like that. See, I'm going to let's say, okay, we'll keep it at round number, fine. $7 we'll keep. So $7 SL, it was giving me a good profit. If I entered at the right time, it will be giving $20 profit, right? And $7 is not exactly my SL. I had like entered a bit late. That's why it's $7. Otherwise, it will be $5 only. 5 or $4.5, $4.5 approximately, right? Okay, anyway, fine. Not good, not good, not good. We'll just wait. Hmm. Okay, it's just setting me and okay. See, just because of a small mistake, not I cannot say small mistake, but see, in order to get a $10 round number profit, I am just missing how much? Almost $7-8 right now. But anyway, fine. This happened twice. I think I should not follow the round number greediness right now, right? Anyways, fine. I will be closing this trade if it gives me like if it travels below the level, right? Like we'll try to close it once it closes below the level, but if it not closes below the level, I will be holding the trade. Okay, see 15-minute candle. I was expecting it to close it high, a bit high. The reason I can say this was a good green candle. And if the same candle would close somewhere around here, it will be again a positive sign for us. And see, even if it doesn't come at retest and moves up higher, it will be like this, right? So currently you can expect it like this. So this is the primary resistance. If price travels slowly, it will hit only this target and then it will give fake breakout and then downside, or it will come down here again, test the level and then it will go up, right? So these things can happen in the market. So we be prepared for that also, right? So currently we'll expect, I guess market is in consolidation from yesterday. I can say this zone. It did travel, but there was, see, I will tell you one more thing. See, this is like a zone here, right? It did travel up, but there was a momentum which got faded away. That means sellers not interested at this level. They were interested at this level only. They fall down market. Now buyers are holding the same level. If this gives a strong momentum, it can move up higher. Not this much higher. It just for like prediction. If buyers holds and gives hammer candle from bottom, then and then only it can move up till the high. Then again this trend line will come and then it will come down, right? Because the sellers are strong and this is a consolidation zone. But once it gives a breakout, you can expect rally like this. So here also you will expect rally like this, because here from the same level it rallied up, right? Okay, fine. I just missed some good profits here. See now what happened in the market. So now what happening to my trade right now, right? See, I know I reduced my risk, but what happening right now? I entered somewhere around here. My stop loss is like somewhere around here. So if I booked some profit here, even if market comes down here, hit my SL here or here, anywhere in between these zones, I will be still at CTC, cost to cost. I will be still at no loss, right? But here now I didn't book profit. So even if market comes down here, hit my SL, I will be at loss. So that dollar I will be negative. I will be not at $0. It will be somewhat negative, right? Are you getting my point? But anyway, fine, we'll wait here. This is the good setup which form in the market, and I will be like, I have kept my SL, right? I have kept my SL in the system, so there is nothing that I can do. I mean, there is nothing that I can be worried about, right? And see, 5-minute candle, there is a inverted hammer, inverted hammer, inverted hammer. It's a doji, but kind of inverted hammer every time. So every time this inverted hammer, if any single inverted hammer get crossed, we can expect a good rally. We can say that, right? And this is like a consolidation zone as of now. We'll wait here. If this happens, we have a sell in the system, and if this happens, we don't have target in the system, guys, right? Because target is open. I told you, na. This is a retracement trade, guys. See, I will tell you on hourly time frame. See, this is a retracement trade. Are you getting my point? If this is a trap and if this moves like this, my target is like this: first, second, third. I'm not going to exit from the trade, guys. I'm going to hold the trade for another 2 days, 3 days. I'm not sure. Maybe I can get today only this trade. But let's just see on daily time frame. We have not analyzed that much, right? Uh, on daily, it's a reversal, right? So even if it has to travel 50%, how much it can travel? See, bottom, sorry, from top to bottom, 50% it's coming. Okay, we have a resistance here, here. See, mark this, then we will delete this. Switch to the 4 hour, use this, switch to the 30 minute, reduce this. Okay, we are at good level, right? See, and now I guess, I think from this top to the bottom, this is going to be the 0.5 level. See, are you getting my point? So there is a possibility that market can move up higher, take everybody's a sell, tap the 0.5 zone, then move down. This is possible. This is only possible if you are confident, if you are like, let's what I say, if you are doing analysis right. If you are not doing analysis right, that is not possible, right? Fine. Okay, I had to take a break, lunch break right now, right? So we'll take a lunch break, and I think that's good for today. That's it for today, guys. Right? I will be closing the stream, and we'll see you tomorrow. The result of this candle, like result of this trade. In between that, we took 2 trades. Here we got like CTC. Here we got one SL hit, and the third trade, which market gave us an opportunity for at retest level. And I know we didn't enter it with the full quantity, but we entered with the decent quantity, and we are booking good profits here, right? And remember, I'm going to book 50% profit here because it's already 1:2. And for the remaining 50% quantity, the sky is the limit. I'm telling you, the sky is the limit. Almost $50-$60 I'm going to take profit, right? So anyway, we'll be just closing stream. Thank you guys for the today, and we'll see you on tomorrow. Yes, I'm getting call. Bye bye guys. Thank you.